Hi everyone. Today we're going to explore how data is contextualized and stored in the Data Service Portal. We're going to start exploring the data management tool in the Data Service Portal with data collection and visualization. So the first step is to go to the data management feature here and then look for the sequential data stores. As you can see, once we do that, we're going to see dozens of streams that are going to show up. To search within streams, we're going to search by type. So this is the most efficient way to do searches within streams. So we click on the streams and we will see the types. For now, we're going to search the streams within type double. As we click on double here, two results came up. Both of these results are of types double. As you can see, the first stream has properties of timestamp and value. So this is how we do searching within streams. The next step is to explore data collection types. As you can see, we have Edge Data Store adapters, PI agents, and OMF connections. So these are the types of data collection. The first one, Edge Data Stores adapter, include all the most common protocols from MQTT, OPCUA, and RDBMS. All are included and easy to use. The second step, how we connected the PI server, is using a PI data adapter. And as you can see on the right side, the management agent shows that it's been successfully connected. The last step is the OMF connection that we use to connect our historian. As you can see also, this uses IPI web protocols and also it's been successfully connected. The next step is to explore trend using the Asset Explorer. As you can see, all the assets have been connected, are shown here on the right side from different pumps connected both using the PI agents and historian. Under properties here, you can see different trends. If we click on the value for the beer interpreter, we can see different trends here, and also the efficiency calculated also shows up here. This is how we explore assets in the data service portal and do visualization. Thank you for watching and have a good day.